some things just get better with time. Take the remarkable International Sound Effects Library. First released nearly 3 decades ago on 50 LP records, this outstanding and popular library of effects has now undergone an extraordinary resurrection, and today it sounds better than ever. Under the professional supervision of Sound Ideas technical engineers and utilizing the original tape masters, this collection has been completely remastered and brought back to life. This time around, you can look forward to a selection of over 2,500 sound effects in 13 diverse categories, available on 28 compact discs. Here's a sample of this world-class collection of effects. There are over 30 hours of recorded sound effects on Sound Idea's newly released International Sound Effects Library. Isn't it time you added a little international flair to your collection?